Hi guys, today's video presentation is going to demonstrate how to add a custom map to a GPS receiver. Actually, we're working in the Garmin GPS receiver, so it's actually Garmin Dakota, but the processes are basically the same for all forms of GPS today. If you what we mean by custom map, let me show you an example. Okay, a custom map is a map that is not doesn't come with the GPS. It's a map that you put in yourself, custom. You develop it yourself. Let me go to my. Okay, I kept a raster images. So basically, custom maps are scan maps. For example, this is an example preview. You can see here, this is a section of a scan map, and this section is a section I want to use my GPS to map. Call it Hahoro, Oninyogi. These are various villages just outside of the main city, so we could call them like city limits areas. These areas are well developed now, but this is like a topo map of the area. So what I want to do is to put this topo map right into my GPS. So I'll demonstrate this for you. I'm going to use Google Earth, and in this demonstration, let me just go as close to the place as possible. So first of all, you locate your study area. Keep going. Screwing that out. So my study area is around Ibadan here. Ibadan here. Yeah, that's Ibadan, and there are two roads. If you notice, there are like two major roads leading in Ibadan. So I know by premonition that my raster or scanned map should lie around this area here. So what I normally do, because everybody has their own style, is that we take a coordinate. I would have known I would have pinpointed a coordinate of a particular spot on the scanned image. So what I'll just do is to kind of calibrate it. So let me put in that spot here. That's 3. So you always start with your latitude first when you are imputing points into Google Earth. So that's comma. Then the next one will be, you can see it's already here for you to see. This is how you put it in. The next one will be that 3.76908. So this is a specific point of my raster image. Let me show you the specific point. If you preview it, yes, this area is exactly where you have arrow here. Let me raise this higher. Yeah, this is my specific point here. That's the point I just put in my Google. So let me look for that spot now in Google. So all I have to do is to tap on it. Let me see my connection here. Oh great, my connection is on and it's connected. So I search. For you to do this search, you must actually be online, because the Google Earth won't respond if you are not online. So it's searching. Oh yeah. Good. So it's gotten that exact spot that you saw on the map now. So the next thing for me is to add my image. So I come here, I say image overlay. So I color my image. I call my image. Let me just change the name. Aoro example. So it's a link. So we browse to where that image I just showed you is. Cool OS vid lesson. Oh sorry, a raster image. having a raster image. So that's how this is our image, scanned image. I scanned it in JPEG and open, so it comes in there. Now you have to tweak some of these things. Your opaque has to come down. Why? Because when you're putting it on your GPS, if it's too opaque, you won't see it, and when it's too clear to cover the details. Now another thing, your attitude. Your more draw order will be 75. Why? This draw order will ensure that your map will stay on top of the GPS's own base map when you transfer it inside. So your draw order will be between 60 and 75, but 75 is okay. Clamp to the ground, please. Always clamp to the ground. You go add a description if you like, but it's not necessary. So we've done all this. We say okay. So what we have to do now again, we have to look at where your arrow is here and look at where your point is here. So you have to adjust. You make the adjustment, you click on this, right click on properties. Once you do this, you will see green something, you will see a green border around your image. This green border allows you to shift the image, reduce it, increase it. So what I want to do now is to bring this arrow here. I want to bring the arrow to where the pointer is good, so exactly there. So now we've been able to shape our map properly so that it will stay properly the way it's supposed to be on that GPS coordinate, something like georeferencing, so to say. So when we okay, now we're good. So you must do this for your image. You can balance it out, make sure the exact spot you know is exactly where it's supposed to be. So now we have done that. The next thing is very simple. Connect your GPS, right click and say save place as. Inside every Garmin GPS you have what we call the custom map. Let me go back here. You have a Garmin folder. You open that folder, you see custom maps. If you don't have this folder, just create one for yourself. Simple. Then you open it, and then this is where you are going to save your custom map. Our example.knz. Your custom maps are load in .knz format. I save that, and that's it. Your map is now inside the GPS. We could quickly take a fact check. Computer, Garmin custom map, and that's our example.knz. You could simply just go on now and open it in your GPS. In the lower part of this post, you will see how you can open it and see it on your Garmin GPS. Other GPS may be a bit different, but we intend to bring the Magellan series very soon, so we could work on tweak all these things we're doing with the Garmin with the Magellan. Thanks for listening, and feel free to send in your comments, please.